Hi, I'm Leon, and this is Leon's Garage. Okay, even though this is only my second video, I got not just a repair video for you guys, but I also have a reveal. Because this is my car. My channel, I got at least two of my brother's vehicles to repair, but I also have my vehicle to repair. But my vehicle, I'll also be able to do some fun mods. So it's going to be some interesting and some fun stuff I could do with this vehicle. So I'm also going to throw in a little audio clip to make it a little more fun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm only going to pull it back a little bit right now, but this is my car, a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. Let me get the focus in right. Yes, it's got some work, so it'll be plenty of things. I'll be able to, plenty of repairs to do on it, especially with the bumper. It already does have a few mods on it. I put an aftermarket rear sway bar on it. I'll put some mooring springs and some Coney yellows on it. Alright, it's not super exciting, but it is an interesting vehicle, and I'll show you the repair that I did a little bit while ago, but I'm gonna film it so I can have a nice video for you guys. I hope the focus is good. But the repair I got for you guys is the headlights, because one headlight would turn on the passenger side, but the driver's side headlight wouldn't. So I need to fix that. Let me go and demonstrate. Alright, as you can see, the driver's side headlight, especially the low lamp / daytime running lights, not turning on now, but the passenger side one is. So I'm gonna go in there and demonstrate what I did to find the issue. Let's see if I get this camera in there. See if I get light in there too. Okay, so what I did is I took out the little housing with the bulb in it. Took that out. It's hard to get the camera in there. Let's see if I can get some light in there too. Well, actually, let me demonstrate on the good one. See what I saw. So I also took it out over here too. Let me get some light over there. Yep. So loosen this up. Take out the connector with the bulb. Maybe you guys can see it. It's kind of tough to get the camera in there and make sure there's light in there, but there's two little metal tabs on the side of the housing. Yeah, you should be able to see the tab, a metal tab on the right side that connects to the wiring. I believe it connects to the battery or the fuse box that activates whenever the keys turn to the on position. 2 metal tabs on both sides for this one. And then when I came onto the passenger side, let's see if I can get in here. Yeah, it's tough to get in here, but yeah, can't get in here with the camera too. Maybe you guys can see it. It's kind of hard to get the camera in there, but I think you might be able to tell that the metal clip, the tab is on the side of this little housing instead of sticking out. So whenever I twist a little connector in there, it'll complete the circuit and it'll get the electricity to flow to the light bulb like it should. Okay, now that I put the little clip right in the proper spot, now the headlight should be able to turn on just like it's supposed to. Keys in the on position. Now the headlight is powered up just like it should. Oh, let's get this zoomed in. Both sides are turned on. Yep, and it looks great. So we got one fixed down. Now we got several more to go, but heading in good direction. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and catch me on the next video.